My name is Ryley Penner. I'm from Lundbreck, Alberta. I am a U23 athlete and I'm 19. I've been kayaking for about 7 years now, and I like a whole bunch of different aspects of it. Definitely just getting out on the river, and it makes it really cool. Just everything that you can do with the sport. We've had tons of changes being made to our local training sites, and I think that's really going to help our province kind of advance and really get up there in the international rankings. My best result is a 4th place finish at the National Championships of 2014, and also 4th place at the Pan Am Test event in 2014. My goals are to make the Olympics in 2020 ideally, and 2024. I don't think there's a limit to my abilities yet. I haven't had any injuries in the past, which has been good, so I have a good chance of being able to train as hard as I can and progress more and more. And I have an excellent training site here at the Kananaskis, and that's really going to help me progress as much as I can without any limitations.